Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Yasmin Sheree coming to you with another DIY video. This video is my DIY workbench that I did about 2 months ago. So what you'll need is 7 8-foot long 2x4s. Basically, when you start cutting, you're going to start at 68 and 7/8 inches long. So when you cut those four, you're actually going to end up with four of your C's, which are 27 inches long. Then you're going to move on to your B's, and one of your 2x4s, you're going to be able to get two B's and a D. You'll do that twice, and then your last 2x4, you're going to end up with two D's and three E's. So hopefully that makes sense. Here I'm putting together the bottom shelf of the workbench. Using the clamps to make sure everything is held in place properly. These are the legs that I'm putting on the front of just the top portion of the desk or the workbench. Right here, I'm trying to figure out why it's not level, it's not laying flat on the floor. And basically, I figured it out the second time I made this bench because I made another one for my garage. And the first time I didn't use a square. So in the future, when you go to make this, just make sure that you use a square when you're um, putting this together to make sure your corners are even. Thought my chair was big enough here to hold up the bottom shelf, but it wasn't. So just laid it on its side to get those legs on there properly. So this is what I have so far. It's pretty big, but I like it. And I still have this lumber left, and what was going to be next was overhead shelving, but before I finished, I realized the shelving would be too high. Hopefully, hold on. So this is the length that the shelving would be. And I already have shelving up, which I don't want to take down. So I figure I'm going to just leave the shelving off of this workbench and leave it as is and add the plywood on top and on the bottom for surface work. Probably won't even stain it. I'm just gonna leave it like this. But yeah, I'm gonna finish it tomorrow. It's kind of late right now, so I'll be back. So clearly I have no chill, and as soon as I got done recording, I figured I might as well just have at it. So I decided to go ahead and screw down the plywood for the top. I used clamps to hold it down, make sure it wouldn't move. And that's it. So hopefully you guys liked this video. I know it wasn't a whole lot of detail, but here are some pictures of the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Catch you guys later.